Hey y'all, so I cannot wait to show you this awesome makeup look using Saint makeup. So all my colors in one compact. So first I'm gonna take my detail brush and I'm gonna outline that contour first, and then I'm gonna blend up. Then I'm gonna get my forehead and just kind of bring that shadow down a little bit more to have more focus on the center of my face, and then take care of this jawline here, give it a little bit more of a shadow. I'm gonna flip this brush over and just line that lower lip a little bit, just to give it more of like a pouty look. And you can also contour your nose, give it a little bit of a shadow up here. I do like to do that. I don't bring it down my nose very far. It's just all about personal preference. All right, so going in with that same brush, I'm gonna pop a little bit of brightening highlight around my eyes, forehead, down my nose, Cupid's bow, and a little on my chin. Then flip it over. As you can see, I did not have to clean off my brush because these creams just blend so well together. And if you feel like you blended out your brightening a little bit too much, just go back in and just apply a little bit more. But all you really have to do is kind of dab those areas. Don't blend it out too much. This makeup just starts becoming second skin. And this is my main highlight. So I'm just kind of covering those areas, any blemishes, redness. I do have some melasma, and I'm gonna show you in just a minute how to get those areas. I'm gonna flip this brush over. I did clean that off because it had my brightening on there, and I don't want any brightening highlight on my nose. And then if you won't see, I have a little bit of melasma here. Just conceals that so well. And then you can press it in a little bit more. So that's that. And I'm gonna take a little bit of brightening and apply some to my lids just for a little base, kind of like a primer, I would say, to get them ready for my eye look in just a minute. Okay, so that's two highlights and a contour. So let's go to bronzer. Bella bronzer, I'm switching brushes to the blush bronzer brush, and I'm just gonna pop that bronzer to the outer parts of my cheeks, just where you get that natural glow from the sun, and it makes such a difference. Sometimes I just use bronzer on my cheeks and that's it. Sometimes you don't even, in the summer especially, may not even have to use a contour. But once again, that's personal preference. And that's bronzer. Really pretty lip and cheek is this nude. And I'm gonna apply it with my finger first. And lips. Going back to the blush bronzer brush, I'm just gonna flip that over to the smaller side and blend that color up. For my brows, it is the Eyeshadow color Trust. Probably hear the mower outside. Real life over here. And just filling in those areas. If you really want to shape your brows, you can draw the line. Whatever your preference is. I'm only going to use two colors on my lids for eyeshadow because I'm pretty simple when it comes to eyeshadow colors. Going in with the eyeshadow brush, this is the color right here, Butterscotch. And I would kind of tap off any excess because these eyeshadows are highly pigmented. They are powder, whereas Most of the rest of our makeup is cream. Some of our illuminators are powder, but majority is cream. So eyeshadows, we do have 4 cream eyeshadows, but the rest are powdered. And that, I'm just gonna wash all over my lid, pretty simple. And I do already have my mascara on. So that is butterscotch to my lids, just kind of washed all over my lids. I do have hooded lids, so I do try to keep it above the crease there so you can actually see the color. All right, next color is Unicorn. I love this color, such a pretty shimmer. If I can find it right here. And I'm just gonna, let's actually do the eyeshadow brush. And I'm just gonna pop some right at my tear duct area, just to give it a little bit of a shine in the corner. You can always just kind of go up if you wanted to, but I like the contrast of butterscotch and then a little bit of shimmer to the corners of my eyes. Okay, so last and probably one of my most favorite is trying to figure out what illuminator I'm gonna use. So today I'm going to use the rose gold illuminator. Let me find it here. Of course, another compact, but this is our cream illuminator rose gold, and I'm just gonna pop that, get my hair out of the way, right here, just for a little bit more of a shine. And then down the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, a little to my chin. And I like to give a little bit more shimmer to my lips. And that's where your illuminator can come in handy, is just giving you a little bit more of that gloss look. And that is my look for today. So if you would like to have your own compact full of colors that are just customized to you, that look like second skin and can take less than 10 minutes, sometimes 5 minutes, just check out the caption for the color match link and I can get you color matched. Just a quick selfie is really all that I need. If you're interested in becoming an artist and earning 20 to 40% commission off of these sales, there's also a link to that as well.